At Back to Normal Physical Therapy, we understand that true health and wellness goes beyond muscles and joints. That is why we offer visceral manipulation, a gentle, hands-on therapy designed to improve the function of the internal organs, or viscera, and to enhance overall body balance. Your internal organs are held in place by a complex network of connective tissues. When these tissues become restricted due to an injury, surgery, illness, or chronic tension, it can affect function of the organs and the overall balance and alignment of your body. The organs have both a motility and a mobility. Motility refers to the inherent natural movement of your organs, like the digestive process in your intestines or the contraction of your heart. This is crucial for digestion, circulation, and respiration. Mobility refers to the movement of organs within your body in relation to the surrounding tissues and structures. This is how the organs move and shift with your daily activities. Visceral manipulation involves the precise application of manual forces to encourage the mobility, tone, and motion of the internal organs and their connective tissues. It can address restrictions and imbalances that may be affecting your health in subtle but yet profound ways. The therapy is non-invasive and typically feels soothing, as if the physical therapist's hands are communicating directly with the body's inner workings. This therapy can help in a wide range of conditions, including digestion issues, chronic pain, post-surgical adhesions, and even stress-related disorders. It can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being.